हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एक ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी पर एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, चलिए देखते हैं। अब इफ ऑप्टिकल प्योरिटी पूछा है इज 20%, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज अमाउंट ऑफ इनैंशियोमर्स। उसने पूछा है कि ऑप्टिकल प्योरिटी इज 20%, देन व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ इनैंशियोमर्स। देखिए माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए अगर 50% ऑफ आर और 50% ऑफ एस रहेगा, राइट, तो भाई आधा डेक्स्ट्रो आधा लीवो, hence nothing, you will have nothing, no optical activity, it will be a completely racemic mixture and there will be no optical activity of that compound that will be seen. Suppose the compound is 70 and 30, so 70-30, so 30-30 will balance, 30S will balance 30R, बचा क्या 40. So overall effect of this would be, it will be 40% R and it will be dextrorotatory 40%. Question पूछा है optical purity which is 20%. See if it is 40-60, तो 40-40 निकाल दिया, 60 में से बचा 20, so the purity is 20%. It will be dextrorotatory towards 20%. It will be levorotatory. क्योंकि क्या किया मैंने 40 माइनस कर दिया 60 में से, because 40 dextro will remove 40 levo, that will become a racemic mixture, and what remains is the pure 20%. So this is the correct answer. Even if you see this option 20-80, so 20% of R and 20% of S will form a racemic mixture, whereas what will remain is 60% S. This will be the optical purity for this compound. So for this particular question, the right answer 20% purity के लिए the right answer is 40% of R and 60% of S. Yes, it is fun to learn at BCC. For all your tiny doubts, come to us BCC Live GPAT 9 पर today.